A nice boat here on display at the MDL South Coast Boat Show is that of Sealine. This S390, powered by two V6 Volvo Pentas, gives you great family space on board for all of your boating adventures. You have really cool big aft space here, loads of area to enjoy the wet bar and dining at anchor, but also you can open up that roof to get lots of natural light in as well, creating a really nice big open space. Down below we have the cabins and the heads compartment, enabling you to be able to have a wonderful vessel to head to the Channel Islands, the Scilly Isles, or just go further afield and enjoy those family boating adventures.